Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm back with another LG Quick Hacks video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a startup channel on your LG television. So you might be asking yourself, what is a startup channel? Well, it's the channel that your TV will tune to every time you switch it on. For this to work, you will need your remote control and fast fingers. This is an LG digital TV that also happens to be a satellite TV. You have seen this TV on many of my LG TV videos. So for this hack to work, you will need to enter the hotel mode. And this is how you enter the hotel mode. First of all, this is the notification on your TV. It's a long bar at the top with a bunch of information like the channel name, the resolution, and the time and date. This notification bar consists of two rectangles, 1 and 2. For now, you only need the one on the left of your screen. That's the smaller one with the channel name. Take your remote control and press and hold the menu button. It also might be labeled as the settings button or a gear icon on your remote control. Press and hold it for some time until the small notification bar on the left of your screen appears. When it appears, press as fast as you can 1105 and OK. This is the OK or the enter button that I'm talking about. Before I go on, I have chosen channel 815 as my startup channel. If you did that correctly, you will see such a menu called the installation menu. So you see LG Hotel Mode Setup is highlighted. Just press OK on your remote control. Now on my TV, the hotel mode is already selected to yes, but yours might be at no. So just press the right navigation button on your remote control to enable it. So I would suggest that you don't change any settings in this menu. So the one I'm going to show you is called Power On Default. The Power On Default is what you are looking for and it's at no. So I'm just going to enable it by using the right navigation button on my remote to yes. After that, into the sub menu, there's input source. Just change it to digital television or maybe radio, or maybe in case of my TV, satellite digital television, satellite radio, or even AV. So this method can work for even other inputs. So you can also choose to select AV1, AV2, or maybe HDMI 1, 2, 3, or 4, whatever your TV has. So but for my method, I'm going to show you with digital television channels. So I already selected my channel, which is channel 815. So I'm just going to scroll using my right navigation button to up to 815. You remember I chose channel 815. And we are close, and there it is. I don't need to press enter, I just need to exit. So if I switch off my television, it doesn't matter if it was on satellite or maybe HDMI or AV. When I switch it on, if I've set the startup channel to 815, it's automatically going to tune to channel 815 on startup. There it is. Let me select a satellite channel so that I can demonstrate this more. So list, then I go to program mode, satellite. So it's on satellite mode right now, and I'm going to switch it off and on back again. And it has already tuned to channel 815. So that is how you set the startup channel on your LG television. There is also something that you saw a little cut when the TV was coming on. I have a video on how to do that. I will link it in the video description below. So thank you for watching, guys, and goodbye.